In this video, you will learn how to generate and use personal access tokens in Rocket.Chat. Personal access tokens are like passwords that are used to authenticate users while making API calls. Unlike typical authentication tokens, personal access tokens have no expiration duration. To create a personal access token in your workspace, click your account icon and select Profile. From the Account settings, select the Personal Access Tokens tab. Provide a name for the token. Configure whether or not 2FA is required when using this token by selecting the Ignore or Require Two-Factor Authentication option. For 2FA to work, your workspace must have the 2FA settings configured. You can do so from the Account settings and choose how you want to implement it in your workspace. If 2FA is not enabled, the Require Two-Factor Authentication option will not work, and users will not need to use 2FA headers with personal access tokens while calling endpoints that require 2FA. Now, add the personal access token. If 2FA has been configured, the authentication method depends on your workspace's 2FA configuration. You can receive an email with the 2FA code, use an authenticator app, or enter your password. Now, your access token has been generated successfully. It displays your user ID and the access token. Store the access token safely, as you can only view it once. You can add more access tokens and delete the ones you no longer need. If you lost or forgot your token, you can regenerate it. Then, all applications that use this token should be updated with a new token value. You can also use the REST API endpoints to generate, regenerate, view, and remove personal access tokens. Let's consider an example to use the personal access tokens we created. While calling any endpoint that requires your user ID and authentication token, replace the auth token header value with the personal access token. Now you can maintain a long-term connection. Now, if your workspace has 2FA enabled and the endpoint requires 2FA, you must provide additional headers for the authentication method and code, or only the 2FA code for the first time that you call the endpoint. The additional headers are not required for subsequent calls, as we're now connected using the personal access token. Alternatively, you can use a personal access token that ignores 2FA. This bypasses the need for additional authentication. While personal access tokens have no expiration duration, it must be noted that they can be automatically deleted by factors such as resetting encryption keys or TOTP for a user or deactivating users. To reset a user's TOTP, 2FA must be enabled via this method. Also, the user must have it enabled in their account security settings. Additionally, the workspace's SMTP email configuration must be complete. An admin can reset a user's encryption keys and TOTP from the user's administration section. After resetting, the user is logged out of the workspace. When they log back in, their personal access tokens are not available, and new ones will need to be generated. This concludes the tutorial on managing account security using personal access tokens. For more details, check out the description box below.